So I'm subscribed to this trance artist, and my Brazilian Portuguese is not of the best, so he published like these letters, and this whole talk about suicide and like I'm sure if you have everything and you've seen everything, it's all the same, you know. And choose the light. It's not like we don't roam in our own darknesses and stuff. I think unconditional love is kind of like my mom and dad. Like, I have said horrible things and done horrible things to my mom and dad, you know. Vice versa, not really. It's mostly me. But I mean, they always loved me, always forgave me. And this is not a popularity contest, and I'm not ashamed of saying that nobody has ever like forgiven me or anything in the name of Jesus. And that's kind of like how God is, you know, like we do all the wrong things. We don't respect life. We don't respect all the gifts He gave us, you know. And tomorrow we wake up to another sunny day after day. So yeah, I don't know what else. I must write a freaking list thing. Struggling with this bloody plant. It's a bougainvillea. It's like this thing with thorns, and we're trying. And I think people can be like legit friends, you know, even if it's opposite sexes. That's something that can really be, you know. So and it's like a much more trustworthy like relationship. So yeah. So we have to continue to push our luck. Day after day after day after day after day. The point is, like, choose the light. Okay.